Hello and welcome back. Um, oh, where are we now? Oh my goodness. So if you've been following me on my channel, you would know that I've been very busy with the sweet peas. I've done the video where I planted them in the root trainers, and that video is going to be in the description box. If you haven't seen it, you go have a look at that video. I showed how the reason for putting them in the root trainers, and then I've done a follow-up video where I showed how to pinch them for much more fuller plants so that you have more blooms and stronger plants generally. Yeah, so today is the day that I'm going to take them to their final their home for life. Yes, where they're going to be for the rest of their lives. Yeah, so some of them are going into my front garden because I have a container in the front garden where I'm doing the white sweet peas. I've got two varieties. They're not white but they will be like white. Lady Salisbury and Champagne Bubbles is going to the front, and the rest of them are going to be in the pink beds in my back garden. So come on, let's go take these babies to their new apartments. Let's go. So this is the berry kiss. I don't know if you can see that, and it's going into my pink bed right there. And I'm lucky enough that they all germinated because I only had a couple of them left, so not all germinated. I threw two in each one, so you can see there was supposed to be two of them, but that one happened to just have only one survived. So yeah, this is what they would look like inside. Let's open that up. So you see, there we are. Nice lovely roots. I told you they will be guided by the ridges in there, and that's what they look like. They're already popping down from the bottom. So I'm just going to take any weeds around the space that I made for them there and put them in there. Yeah, and I've already kept an obelisk, this one. So I've got this one here waiting to support them. Yeah. I have to get rid of the bad guys first.
Ow!
There we are. One out. Go in with this.
Let's rub them.
I'm going to take that one as it is. Throw it in there. So that's where I have the assorted. You can see that I already planted some because I started them off as soon as the new year started. So those ones have gone in already. These are some that I just added on, so I'm just going to put them in so that they can all just grow together there. They're doing very well, like as you can see. Yeah, so let's get planting. The rest of them are the whites, and they're going into this little plants are here. You can see my cage, my little cage right there. And I'm ready for the bees and the butterfly. I brought that there ready for them. So, so the last thing to do would be to top that up with compost and make sure that they're nice and sturdy on the cage, and keep them in a nice, this one particularly, in the sunlit area of your garden. It's going to the front of my garden, which is south facing, so a lot of sunshine, but too much sunshine is not great for it as well, so that's why it's in a pot. If it gets too hot, I'm going to get it to the shady corner of that front garden. Yes, so there we are. That's the last bit. I'm just going to put that in and allow you to enjoy the rest of it. Thank you for watching. I shall see you in the next one. Bye. I will be updating you on my community tab on the progress of the sweet peas and all of the other beautiful plants, vegetables and horticultural plants in my backyard and front garden. So if you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and give us a reaction. Love a reaction. Doesn't matter whether it's a thumbs up or a thumbs down, a reaction is a reaction. And most of all, it gives us a feel. It lets us know what you think about the video. Thank you guys for watching. I shall definitely see you